First at 5, Florida leaders announcing a plan to help enhance ride safety. This comes after Tyre Sampson fell to his death from the freefall ride at Icon Park in March. Spectrum News 13 watchdog investigator Molly Durig is live for us tonight. Molly, what exactly are some of the changes they're actually calling for here?
Greg, this proposal would change a lot about oversight of ride safety at smaller amusement parks like this one behind me. In a nutshell, it would give the State Department of Agriculture a lot more power and authority when it comes to overseeing these rides. Everything from maintenance and safety restraints to signage posted around the rides and employee training. The state lawmakers hope to name the bill after Tyre Sampson.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
Todd Michaels is one of the lawyers representing Tyre Sampson's mom. He says State Agriculture Commissioner Nikki Fried's new proposed ride safety legislation is long overdue.
It's just insane that these rides have been operating without these minimal safety procedures in place. And I think that one thing about this bill that is nice is it actually looks at what went wrong and tries to resolve that.
The proposed legislation announced Wednesday is still in draft form. It would give the state authority to implement minimum employee training standards for ride operators and create new positions within the Agriculture Department for inspectors who would visit rides unannounced.
And if we have these impromptu inspections, so we'll be able to see firsthand that they're following through these regulations and proposals.
The proposed Tyre Sampson law would also require more signage posted around rides to inform riders of height and weight restrictions. There weren't any such signs posted near the Orlando freefall at Icon Park when Tyre died in March. According to the ride's manual, Tyre was more than 10 pounds over the weight limit.
Tyre was a big child, and what he was deprived of was being advised of what his risks were so that he could make an informed decision about whether he wanted to get on the ride.
Michael says Tyre's mom and her legal team support the proposed law. Although nothing can bring back her beloved son, the next best thing is making sure riders are safer going forward.
Her number one concern is hoping that no other family goes through the pain that she's had to go through and that she's continuously going through.
And as of right now, this upcoming spring is the soonest that this Tyre Sampson bill could be formally introduced during Florida's regular legislative session. Now, it would not apply this law to larger theme parks with more than 1,000 employees. Under Florida statute, those parks are exempt from state oversight. And that is something that some of the experts we've spoken with want to see changed as well. Greg?